آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں JKLH لائیو۔ مرکزی وزیر خزانہ نرملا سیتارمن نے ہندوستان کے حوالے سے مغرب کے منفی تصورات پر کراری چوٹ کی ہے۔ امریکی دورے پر ایک پروگرام میں بات چیت کے دوران نرملا سیتارمن نے کہا کہ ہندوستان کے مسلمان پھل پھول رہے ہیں اور ترقی کر رہے ہیں، مسلمان کاروبار کر رہے ہیں اور ان کے بچے تعلیم حاصل کر رہے ہیں، جبکہ پاکستان میں اقلیتیں غیر محفوظ ہیں اور ان کی آبادی میں بتدریج کمی درج کی جا رہی ہے۔ نرملا سیتارمن نے مزید کہا کہ ہندوستان میں مسلمانوں کی تعداد انڈونیشیا کے بعد دوسرے نمبر پر ہے اور ان کی آبادی میں مزید اضافہ ہو رہا ہے۔ اگر مسلمانوں کو کسی قسم کی مشکلات کا سامنا ہوتا تو کیا ان کی تعداد میں اضافہ ہوتا؟
India has the second largest Muslim population in the world. And that population is only growing in numbers. If there is a perception or if there's in reality, their lives are difficult or made difficult with the support of the state, which is what is implied in most of these write-ups, I would ask, will this happen in India, in the sense, will the Muslim population be growing than what it was in 1947? As opposed to, let us say, I take the name of the country and therefore the contrast can be sharper, as opposed to Pakistan, which was formed at the same time. India was divided into two, Pakistan. Pakistan declared itself an Islamic country, but however is said, minorities will be protected. Every minority has been dwindling in its number, or if I may use the word which is harsher, decimated in Pakistan. Even some of the Muslim sects have also been decimated. Violence prevails against Muhajirs, Shia, and every other group you can name, which is not accepted by the mainstream, I don't know, Sunnis probably. Whereas in India, you would find every strand of Muslim doing their business, their children getting educated, fellowships are being given by the government, and I would want to see where exactly is that one state where. And again, law and order is a very state subject, it's not the government of India's subject. Each province has its elected government, they take care of the law and order in those states. So across the board in India, if violence is happening to make Muslims get affected, itself is a fallacy as a statement. It cannot be so. Each province and its police are different. They are run by the elected governments in those provinces. So that itself tells you how these reports have no clue of the law and order systems in India. To say it's all the blame of Government of India, I would want to say, then tell me, between 2014 and today, has the population dwindled? Has the deaths been disproportionately high in any one particular community? So I would rather invite these people who write these reports to come to India. I host them. I host them. Let them come and let them travel along in India and prove their point.